Hey, today we're gonna unbox this Glock 17 third generation 9mm olive drab color 4.5 barrel. So let me freeze it up so you can see it. That's so beauty. I got it at Turtles Outdoor for $5.69. Supposed to be $5.99. It's on sale, so it came with 2 magazine and the bullet loader, and it comes with a safety. Trigger safety, and is this for the barrel cleaner? Alright, so let's take a closer look at this Glock 17. This is full size 4.5 inch barrel. I'm in California, so I think we're only allowed to have Gen 3. Alright, let's cock it. There you go. I like the colorway of this, and I like where my thumb sit at. The little curve right there. This is the other side of it. This is so pretty, guys. What made me get this is the colorway and the reviews on Glock 17s. You can take it to range, and I can use it at home for my protection. So that's the release magazine button. Alright, that's the trigger. Look at this. That's the serial number. Looking good, huh? Yup. Get yours now. Peace.